Hey friends, welcome back into this new video tutorial with the OSP Pro. In this video today I'm going to be working with you guys, showing you how to add more and more pages to your web app, Flask Web App. Remember, for instance, now in this web app of ours, we have only one page. We can't go anywhere, we can't direct anyone, we can't say go to this page. We can't even maybe go to that page manual, like maybe about us page or about.html. Let's look onto that and we'll see how to add more pages in Flask with our Python. Now, for instance, to do that, we're going to just cut this story short by going into our page, and we need to add more pages. So this is it. So this is the home page. So I'm going to go into our templates. Remember, anything dealing with HTML, go into templates, and I'm going to create there one on us another page, and that page is going to be one on us about page. Or you can even create contact page, but I'm going to create about page, whatever. So about.html. So that about.html that you're creating is going to be rendered in the same format. Now, if you go back inside here, I'm just going to copy this, but that copy and paste later on I'll show you how to avoid it. So I'm going to just go underneath this very page, and I'm going to just create it a little bit to be smaller than the previous page, and I'm just going to call it maybe home page to differentiate for you guys what I'm trying to talk about. So this is the home page, and that's it. So if you try to refresh here, if you try to refresh here the page, I think you can see something called home page a little bit there in our page. So this home page of ours is here, but we need also create another page that if maybe someone goes here, you can also look onto about. Now at the moment it's giving us error, ever much happened to create because we have not rendered it into our main page called hello.page. So to do that, we just need to go also here and copy the same stuff and render the same page into the other page. But remember, if now we happen to render that page, we are not going to get anything. It's not going to show anything. So I'm just going to go inside here and I simply say maybe one nice rendering about page inside the Flask, Flask link. So we are trying to just render this page here. So this is it. We have that, but remember our the other page is called about. So I can just do that here to simplify life. You can give them the same name, but remember now, inside our about page here, or that inside our page that we are trying to render, this should not point on the same page. If I save this right now and I try to go to the browser to run this page, we should get a little bit of an error, because it's going to be confusing to our program. Which page do you want us to render to you? Okay, evermuch can give us this, but which page do you want us to give you? Like for instance, if I say about here now, okay, it's going to give us error because we are not pointing it at all. We have said it here, see, we said about.html good, but we are not pointing it. We are pointing it to the main directory, which is home.html. If you try to consider that to the default page, which is picking at 500, port 500, in 5000. So to avoid that, just come in here and say about. So whenever the Python says about, it's going to customize that from about.html to about page. And here I'm defining a function called about to render for me this output as in that format from this main function, and pointing to that URL. And remember, I tell you that this is the way how we point to URL in Python. So if you do that, for instance, now in the Flask application, I'm trying to come back in our page right now and refresh this page, we should get something, and that page has nothing right now. You can go inside that page and try to add some few things. If you add anything you add into that page, it's going to be rendered the other side. Okay? So if I just go on that page and I say maybe about us page, so if I save that page right now, it should be finding out that it has something, and that's it. Okay, so that's how that's a simple way how I may say you can write more than 2, or you can write many pages in your Python Flask application. This is the home page, and when you try to see here, if I go back, if I try to type here one as about, it takes us to about page. I can just do this to customize something a little bit for now. Copy everything here, and I just paste it a little bit here, if it is okay with you. And I'm just going to change this one to one as about page. Like that, maybe about us. Okay, so if I just save that a little bit now for now and try to refresh this page, go there, I think you can see say about page, and then if you go back here a little bit and move that off, to take us to a home page. So guys, thanks for watching a little bit this video. Find it interesting, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, as in the next video I'll be showing you how to customize all of those stuffs and creating up a link. So if you find this video interesting, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to support me by doing that. As I may explain this again, this is the same stuff around here. That implies you can render as 1,000 pages as you need. I think you can see. This is just a simple technique that I used there, and this is the second page that we have done there. And to render them, this is just a concept we do. So you just copy this v1, paste it here, change that name to the name of your page. Like if it is about.html, just come and say about blah blah, and here render the template and make sure the template should be inside the templates. Like for instance, about is inside there, and you render it. That's how we get it. So guys, thanks for watching this video. If you find it interesting, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys. Thank you.